everyone. Today is 2nd October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is abstraction. We will say first what is meant by abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a most important part of the OOPS, that is object oriented program. It is also known as a pillar of OOPS, that is object oriented program. Uh, Now see about what is meant by abstraction. Abstraction is a process of abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing functionality to the users. Another way, it shows the only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending SMS where you type the text and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. uh, Now we will see about what is the abstract class in Java. A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class. An abstract class an abstract class in Java, it can have abstract and non-abstract method, uh, which is also known as method with the body. Then we will see about ways to achieve abstraction. First way is to achieve abstraction is by using abstract class, and second one is by using interface. uh, Abstract a class which is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. It needs to be extended and its method implemented. It cannot be instantiated. Then an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can be instantiated. It can have constructors and static methods also. In abstraction in Java, it can have final methods which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. Now abstract method of abstract method in Java. A method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as an abstract method. Example of abstract method, there is abstract method, example of abstract in Java. There is abstract class of bike, then abstract void run, then class is Honda extend to bikes, void run system out println running safely, public static void main string arguments, bike object is equal to new Honda object run. So in abstraction, a factory method is a method that returns the instance of the class. We will Now we will see about the abstract. Abstract class can have a data member, abstract method body, and that is non-abstract method constructor. um, an abstract class is a class that is declared as abstract. It may or may not include abstract methods. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated, but they can be subclassed. An abstract method is a method that is declared without an implementation. Abstract classes in abstract classes are similar to interfaces. You can instantiate them, and they may contain a mix of methods declared with or without an implementation. All fields are automatically public, static, and final, and all methods that you declare or define are public. In addition, you can extend only one class whether or not it is abstract, where you can implement any number of interfaces. So it is all about abstraction in Java. Thank you.